guys, today we are going to the dollar store.
I'm going to
And I'm gonna buy to make slime. Then yeah. Dang. I'm gonna get some goofy string. And ¿cómo se eran las antes?
No sé. ¿Qué más? ¿Podemos comprar esta? También está bonita.
Yeah, this is pretty.
¿Qué
Let's
más?
get this. Maybe some. This one, Mom. To make the Cookie Monster. Okay. And look at this beautiful gem, man. Look at this beautiful gem. Look at these
Okay.
beautiful gems.
Agárrala.
It's gonna look so pretty on it. Go get the glue.
Get it.
So we're gonna get some shaving cream. Is this kind of good?
Yeah. ¿Por qué no la compramos like como esta?
Oh yeah, this one. Or should we do? Yeah, this one, right?
Okay. Let's keep going.
They're colorful.
More containers.
More container. Should we get a container? ¿Cómo se? No sé cómo se llama. For the cubes.
I don't know. Okay.
So, this one's empty. Literally. Rip Bob.
Okay.
These
No, it's not.
are. Look. I'm gonna get two for the slime. And when you see this is kind of sounds empty.
Yeah. It does.
Look for the tide. I think it's from here.
¿Sí o no?
No, but I think we can get anything. Should we get Downy? Downy works at the same thing. It's kind of the same thing, right, Mom?
Right. Sí.
Or should we get this tide?
Sure.
Or Downy?
Either one.
Whatever, tide. It's kind of good. At first, I thought that these were empty. That's kind of weird. Okay. Bought the 2 of these, but instead I'll buy the 3 of these pack, because if there's 2 for the same price, then let's get 3.
Sí, por eso deben de pensar que compran.
So let's think.
Okay. ¿Ya terminamos?
Yes, so we're done.
Vamos a pagar. Tú vas a pagar
Yeah.
y yo te ayudo.